Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve multi-step equations. So this is the problem we're going to be solving. Negative 2 plus 14 minus 5x is equal to 4x minus 4 plus 4 minus x. To first start, you want to combine all like terms. So I'm going to combine negative 2 plus 14, 4x minus x, and 4 plus 4. Now please pause the video and solve it yourself. Okay. The answer you should get is 12 minus 5x equals 3x minus 8. You now want to get the variables on the same side of the equal sign. To do this, you want to choose a side to put the variables on. I would prefer to choose a side with a larger coefficient, which is next this number, to save some extra steps. So I'm going to put all my variables on the right side, because 3 is larger than negative 5. On the side you're not keeping the variables on, you want to do the opposite of what you see. So this is negative 5, so you want to do plus 5x. And like this. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. Now, negative 5x plus 5x would equal 1. So that's a big giant 1. It means nothing to us. And then you should get 12 equals 8x minus 8. You now want to isolate the variable. To do so, you want to circle the variable and anything with it. So just 8x. And now, whatever is not circled, that's on the same side of the equal sign as the variable, you want to do the opposite of what you see. So instead of minus 8, you want to do plus 8. Once again, I want you to do one side, you have to do the other. Now, minus 8 plus 8 would equals big fat 0. It means nothing. And you just solve the rest. And then you should get 20 equals 8x. You now want to isolate the variable completely, because it's not completely isolated yet. You want x alone, no 8, just x. To do this, you want to do the opposite of what you see. So instead of multiplication, as it is right here, you want to do division. So you're going to do 8x divided by 8. I want you to do one side, you have to do the other. After doing this should just equal 1, so 1x. Perfect. You don't need the 1 in front of it. And then you should do 20 divided by 8, and you should now get x equals 2.5. You now want to check your work to make sure your answer is correct. To do so, just substitute x for the number you got for x, so 2.5. And then you just follow the order of operation. You should get a number that equals the same at the very last bottom area. So I got negative 0.5 is equal to negative 0.5. So that means your answer is correct if you get that. For the math practice standard, I decided to choose a 10 to precision, because after finding x, you can substitute it in and check your answer, which is exactly what you do. So then you can make sure you're correct.